Okay, I need to put this away.
No, no, no!
Christian, you can't use that.
Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Don't
Christian,
you dare!
it's time to eat dinner now.
No!
Yes.
No!
Christian, we can come back to this later. I'm going to put this away now. Would you like to help me?
No!
Come on.
No, no! No, no!
Christian, we have to put it away now.
No!
Open the fridge for me.
No!
Christian, we have to put this away for now for dinner.
No! I want to go, Mommy. Hey, yes!
Christian, I don't like that when you push me.
No.
Now we're going to have to put this away.
No! No! No!
I understand that you're mad.
Don't you dare!
You're mad, you're yelling, I understand you don't want to stop right now, but you have to.
But I can't go!
Give me that.
No.
Here, I'll help you. You can help me and then we'll come back.
Hey! Hey! Where do you go?
Don't push me, Christian.
I'm getting out!
Here, sit down. Let's sit down.
No! Get out of here! And stop pushing me! Get out!
Pushing Bruce. Christian, no. Come on, let's talk about this. Okay, you're going to have to go in your room.
No!
You two, get down. Come on, Christian. Come on.
No!
Come on. You need to get off of the chair now. Come on. Here. Let's go. We have to clean this up for dinner.
Don't you dare!
No hitting. Come on, honey.
No!
Come on. If you're not going to help me clean this up, then I'll have to clean it up. But you're going to have to go in your room. Okay, then we'll clean it up together. Come on, I'll show you what to do.
Don't you dare! Don't you... Give me that!